Midwest Precision is a contract manufacturing business that focuses on precision machining and assembly. Midwest specializes in complicated parts that are made out of very difficult to machine materials that have tight tolerances. Midwest Precision's markets include aerospace, defense, engineered products, instrumentation, and energy. They come to us for reliable delivery, they come to us for excellent quality, they come to us for competitive costs, and a company that they can depend on that lowers their risk for their supply chain.
Midwest workforce, we have a very deep knowledge base. Our supervisors have approximately 25 years experience, and that really helps out when you get into complex jobs.
Lean manufacturing allows us to concentrate on improving setups, improving part quality, improving productivity.
We monitor our efficiency rates daily. Midwest's efficiency rate right now is averaging over 100% monthly. We have CNC programmers on the shop floor, which allows us to take complex parts, short runs, turnarounds. We don't have to wait for a program. We give them a part print, and they're able to develop their own program. They're able to program with conversational controls right on the machine, turn the jobs around very quickly, do their first piece check before it goes into quality.
Quality is our number one focus in the company. Our quality management system is certified to AS9100C and ISO 9001-2008. Beyond the quality system itself, we have very rigorous processes that support the quality system, and we are constantly driving improvements in really all areas of the company. Some of the things that differentiate Midwest Precision from others in our business are, number one, our ability to work on and to take on tough projects. We're very good at complicated parts that have very tight tolerances, that are made out of tough materials, and we stick with it. We work through the problems, we get the product up and running on a consistent basis, and you will never see bad quality from Midwest Precision. One of the strategies that Midwest Precision has embarked on some years ago is to implement a lot of unattended manufacturing operation. And the investments we've made in equipment, the investments we've made in people, in our processes are really dedicated to supporting that strategy. And that strategy requires very, very strong process engineering, very strong quality engineering, and very strong predictability.
There's a very large push with all of our customers for reducing costs. The cost per hour per piece is greatly reduced when you're able to utilize the hours between second and third, or any of the available hours on a weekend. When you're able to build your own tooling and fixtures, you're able to have a better handle on controlling a process. Here's an example of parts that we have been making. It's been a reliable process for us, but with our focus being on unattended production, we've now moved this from a manual to a robotic loaded machine. And now with the robotic loading, we're able to run unattended between shifts and on weekends, taking advantage of more available hours in a week.
Midwest Precision has made a number of investments over the past several years. We've invested in some of the latest equipment in both milling and turning. We've invested in our personnel with training and finding the type of talent we need for our business and for the type of parts we manufacture. So if you have a tough project and you're having trouble with your supply chain on difficult parts, Midwest Precision could be your solution. Our customers that we deal with today have very high expectations, and we have continued to meet those. And we would ask that you give us a call, send us your drawings, we'd be happy to give you a proposal, and hopefully we can help you.